The Sasfin Wealth team today is at the Afrika Tikkun Center in Alexandra. It's called the Bambanani Center. We're here specifically for the ECD learners, which is the smaller, the little ones, to just spend the morning with them. We're here to drop off some wellness packages that they need for the little kids. And we're here to also drop some books for their library. So that's what we're here to do today. We got the staff involved in helping us pack all the little wellness packs for the little ones. It was a really great day, a lot of engagement, a lot of interaction, a lot of fun, just to also get the staff involved, because obviously not everyone can come through to the drop-off.
Afrika Tikkun is a youth development organization that supports young people from cradle to career. What we want to do really is tackle the issues around poverty, tackle issues that young people are facing around unemployment. We work with young people in grade 1 all the way to grade 12. We support them around mathematics and English, literacy and numeracy, and ensure that they have the skills in order for them to move on either to further education, or if not, they come into the centers again. We support those young people to be job ready. We train them and we prepare them for the world of work. Days like this are really important for Afrika Tikkun because we get the opportunity to give the people who support us, the companies, all of our funders and sponsors, the opportunity to experience what we do. Very often, funding something from a distance may feel impersonal, but when you come down to the center, you interact with the children, you meet the staff, you see the program in action, it allows you to know that your contribution has real life impact. And that's what we try to do on Mandela Day. So the relationship with Sasfin Wealth supports our mission in that they really, as part of our family of funders and supporters, they support the programming that we do on a daily basis. I'd like to thank Sasfin Wealth for their support and their continuing support to Afrika Tikkun. We appreciate them not only supporting financially and otherwise, but also being here in person to experience the program with us.